to my channel, everybody. This is Gina with Tudor Tarot. I'm gonna do an unboxing of a tarot deck that I received yesterday from Amazon, which is extremely unusual tarot deck. It's called the Family Tarot Deck. It doesn't come with a book. There's no book that comes with it. 62 artists, 3 years, 1 journey. Every card in this deck is it was published by People for Peace Art Collection in 2016. Every one of these cards has a different artist. It doesn't tell you. Now it tells you on here which artist did what card. But every card that you see in here, and there's one extra card that came with it, was from one specific person. Very unique, different. I've already unboxed it for myself, but I had to put it all back in order for you. So I just want to show them off. Here's the back of the cards. And oh, no, don't do that, Gina. God, it took me an hour to get them together. This is the back, as you can see, and they're very nice. They're matte finished. So, I guess, let's see. These are the majors. We'll start with them. So, I'm just going to show you guys this way. The full, very, very beautiful imagery. Every card is very different. Magician. As you can see, they're different. Our High Priestess. Very, I look at it and I see a lot of just mysterious energy coming from the card. Empress. You can feel a very positive vibe from that card. The Emperor. It has like a Japanese feel to it. Faith, which would be our Hierophant. Lovers. The Chariot is extremely interesting. It's very, there's a lot going on in this Chariot card. We have skeletons. We have lions. We have, some dogs, roses. This is the Strength card. I had to figure it out by going back in order. I guess this is probably Japanese for strength. Trees are very strong. This is a Japanese, cherry tree. So, they probably are very strong trees and can take a lot. The Hermit. Very, I wouldn't, these are not for a beginner at all. Because you would not, there's nothing really is traditional about these. Our Will. Justice. Hangman. I love the Death card. Since I'm a Scorpio, you have a butterfly, you have the skeleton, and there's stuff growing out of it. Temperance. The Tower. The Devil. The Star. Very Van Gogh-ish. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. And the World. It's very nice. That being said, we're gonna get into the suits. This is the Ten of Cups. Nine of Cups. Eight of Cups. I like that. Seven of Cups. Six of Cups. Five of Cups. A lot going on in that picture. Our Four of Cups. Three of Cups. Two of Cups. Our Ace of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. This is a very interesting Queen of Cups. There's a lot going on in this picture with her. You can make her out. You can tell there's a female. There's a lot of other stuff going on in this picture with her. She kind of blends in. It's abstract. King of Cups. Now we're getting into the coins. Ten of coins. Nine of coins. This is a interesting nine of coins. It took me a few minutes to figure out. That's a person there with a hat on. And he's the Nine of Cups is all about having everything that you need. You don't really need anything. Eight of Cups. Eight of Coins, forgive me. Seven of Coins, I like that. The Six of Coins. Five of Coins. Four of Coins. Three of Coins. Two of Coins. Ace of Coins. The Page of Coins. Our Knight of Coins. Queen of Coins. King of Coins. Very interesting, King of Coins. Now we're in the Wands, the Ten of Wands. Our Nine of Wands. Eight of Wands. Seven of Wands. Six of Wands. Five 4 of Wands. The 3 of Wands. I'm sorry if you hear people in the background. 2 of Wands. Ace of Wands. Page of Wands. Our Knight of Wands. Our Queen of Wands. Then we have our King of Wands. And then we get into the swords. Oh, King of Wands. King of Swords. Our Queen of Swords. Knight. Page. Ace of Swords. 3 of Swords. Sorry about that. 2. 4 Swords. I like that. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7. Got the Fox. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. And last, 10 of Swords. So, as you can see, everybody, it's a very, very complex deck of cards. So like I said, and here's an extra card, just a blank. And I think this is meant to be used by the reader to interpret whatever other cards happen to come out. You can choose to use this or not, depending on what you want to do as a reader. So I'm going to do a quick reading for you guys, just to kind of demonstrate. Forgive me if it takes me a few minutes to read them, because they are a little different. I won't be using these a lot. I think I bought them more as like a collector's item. And they weren't very expensive either. I think they were like $22 on Amazon. They're very unique. And I was like, yeah, I want to try those. Or at least see what they look like. They're easy to shuffle. They're durable, it seems. Just start shuffling like this. Just gonna do a quick three card reading for today, the 22nd of May, 2020. Whoa! Too many. What's the messages for my people today? Got the Emperor. We got the 8 of Swords. And what else can you show me, please? you. 9 of Cups. So, looks like for some of you today, you're dealing with, we have a new moon in Gemini today, by the way, and that's all about communication. Our emperor, as we all know, is somebody it's Aries, but this is somebody that takes control of the situation. Some of you, and that would be the past, needed to take control of the situation. It could be yesterday as far as the past. You're having some problems with the 8 of Swords. Some of you are feeling trapped. You're looking for solutions. If you see the card, their eyes. You're looking for a way to get to this 9 of Cups, which is nice. So for some of you, you might be having a little bit of problems getting there. I'm going to take one of my, oh my, too many heart-shaped cards. Just gonna pick up maybe one for you guys. Is that the only one that fell? Yes. Can you? Whoa. No, guys. I'm just gonna draw one. There we go. You get it. This is what it says. Deep in your heart, you already know the answers and do what feels right. So some of you already know the answer to the questions that you seek. You already know. You just have to get to it and figure it out. So, that was just a quick review of the Family Tarot deck. I wanted to show it off to you guys because I thought it was just really unique and beautiful. And I love you, and I'll see you next time.